Hi, I'm Caitlin. I'm from New York. I go to York College here, and I was looking for a chiropractor in the local area for my neck and my back pain. I was having my symptoms for maybe about almost 2 years. I was having a lot of neck stiffness and a lot of tightness, especially in my shoulders, and I had a lower back tightness also. So as a student, it was very hard to sit in a chair all day throughout the school day and then trying to get my homework done. So I was really wanting to find a treatment that could help ease my pain so that I could try to be more successful in school without being in pain. I saw a chiropractor back home, so I'm from New York, and then when I came to school here, my neck and my back pain actually increased. So I wanted to try chiropractic because that's what worked for me. I've definitely improved a lot. I can sit in a chair and not have any pain, or it's minimal pain. I can do my homework, I can carry my textbooks and my backpack around with minimal pain, so I've definitely seen an improvement from when I first came here to when I have completed my treatment. When you have a lot of pain, it's hard to get a lot of your focus on your studies and stuff like that, so now that I have a lot less pain, I can focus more on what's important and get my studies and stuff done. I would definitely say that the office here is very helpful. They're very flexible with my schedule. I go to college, so I'm very busy. They're very flexible with my schedule, very nice staff. Dr. Gary's great. He really made me feel a lot better, made me feel comfortable when I came here, and he was overall a great chiropractor. Chiropractic is the way to go.